basically saying, quote, my wife blanked the y'all. Essentially, Cardi B cheated on and she sounded off an explicit.
This is a severe thunderstorm warning for Newcastle County, Cumberland County, and Salem County, effective until 3:50 p.m.
Yeah, right up, they're gonna smell it for the world. I can't buy it because they gonna tell too.